Hey there, today we're going to look at how to build a website wireframe in Miro. So let's get started. First, head over to the Miro website by typing miro.com into your browser's address bar. Over here, click on the login option in the top right corner. Then choose to sign in with either your email or Google account. After that, continue with your email and enter your details. Then you'll be taken to your dashboard. Over here, click on the board you want to use or create a new one if you're starting fresh. With your board open, look to the left hand side of the screen. Then click on Templates. After that, use the search bar in the Templates section and type in Website Wireframe. Then browse through the available templates. When you find one you like, click Use Template. This will place the template onto your board. Over here, use the zoom tool to inspect different sections of the wireframe. Then start customizing it. Move elements, adjust sections, or add new components as needed. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.